So today I'm going to work on trying to get the engine finished, being that tomorrow's Monday. That way I can get it dropped off and hopefully get it back this week. So I'm going to try to get that on the stand. Flip the camera around. Okay, so we got the stand unloaded. Got the engine on the rack. Shut this door. See the fan, hot in here. And get the ACs running today. By the way, if you haven't seen the videos, this is the donor truck. Did not come with the American Doll backpack on top. It's got a couple little dents and dings, nothing real bad. But it was pretty rust free. A little bit of surface rust on the hood. Some of my earlier videos, but just to kind of give you a quick look. 4 rail, drip rail on top. In pretty good shape. Nothing that's going to need a lot of major work. Got a mess in there. Let me clean that up. Frame was actually in pretty good shape on this truck. And this truck was a 75 model. Came out of Montana. Gotta do some work to all that. But for now, that's what I've got. I'll loop some in here in just a minute. So I'm fixing to make a run into town. Maybe go get a couple things. Basically, I put the exhaust manifolds on. I left the foil tape behind the gaskets just as an extra protection. And I'm gonna get some pipe plugs, hose those off. Got the oil filter lines plugged off and capped. Transmission filler lines capped. I'm gonna get some hose, O'Reilly, and go ahead and cap that off. Same thing up here. Cap both those off. Get 2 hose clamps also for that other hose. Not going to use this breather. What I'm probably going to do is we're going to put AC in this truck, so I'm going to cut this off about right here and probably take a piece of 6-inch and weld it to the top of that, and then that's going to be forward, and it'll go through the firewall, and the air breather will pull from up under the hood instead of inside the cab on this unit. Just get another pipe plug for that, and hopefully we'll get this sent off to paint. I'll drop it off tomorrow. The paint will come in tomorrow, hopefully. We'll be able to get this painted, get it back in the truck, go from there.